so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Rah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun.